How to create Gmail account without phone number. So let's move on. First, open up your Google, and on the upper right corner you will have profile icon, and then you will have a drop down menu. Tap on that, and here you will have an option which says add another account. Tap on that, and then you will have create account option. Tap on create account and tap on for myself, and here enter your first name and then your last name. So before proceeding this, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And after entering your name, it will ask you for your birthday and gender. And after entering your basic information, tap on next, and here it will give you Gmail address, or you can just create your own Gmail address. I'll be choosing this one, and then tap on next, and here you will have to create a strong password. That password must contain a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And after entering your password, tap on next, and then you'll be ready to create your Gmail account without phone number. So it was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.